everybody. Glad to be among you today, and thanks for having us. First of all, it's a chance, really. And first of all, you know, I'm not good that I want to be. I'm not great that I will be, but I'm so much better than I used to be. That's because of the chance that Morsinet Access program gives us, really.
To start with, there is a huge change at all the levels. Our personality has developed. For instance, Access program helped me to avoid my problem with the shyness. I used to be too shy, that I couldn't speak in front of people because I used to be too afraid and shy in front of people. But now I can, and thanks to Access. Second thing, there are lots of activities that help us to express our feeling and to practice our hobbies and leisure activities, such as acting, because I've never had a chance to act in a play, but today I have, and that's because of our Access program. And third things, with Access, I learned how to communicate with others by listening to each other.
And all the students of Access program don't have a lot of money to do extra hours of English. Access program gives us this opportunity to learn this important language and international language, and all of them got good marks, but English is an obstacle. For example, if you go to study in a university, a good university, they ask you about your language. You say that I have just French. French is not now important. English is international. English is the most important language in all the world. And I add that. We learned a lot. We learned culture of America. We know a lot about America and other countries. Thank you, Access program and Morsinet.
You know, English was my last year. It was my nightmare. But now I think things has changed, and I've never had a chance to meet a native speaker, but Access program gave us a chance to meet nice people, American people, Miss Jolie and Richard. Thanks, Access program.